is your body works around the clock even while you sleep. During the night, your organs enter a natural repair and detox phase, cleaning out waste, rebalancing hormones, and restoring energy. Among all organs, the kidneys play one of the most critical roles, filtering your blood, removing toxins, balancing electrolytes, and managing water levels in the body. But when we overload our kidneys with processed foods, high sodium, refined sugars, and lack of hydration, they struggle to do their job effectively. Over time, this can lead to fatigue, water retention, skin problems, and even kidney stones or chronic disease. The good news is that nature provides powerful healing tools, and some of them come in the form of simple, delicious fruits you can enjoy before bedtime. In this video, we'll explore 4 remarkable nighttime fruits that can help detoxify your kidneys and support toxin removal while you sleep naturally. Before we dive into the fruits, let's understand why eating specific fruits at night can be beneficial. During sleep, your body goes into rest and repair mode. The digestive system slows down, but detoxification increases. Your liver and kidneys become more active in clearing metabolic waste. Certain fruits contain antioxidants, hydration, and natural enzymes that assist this nighttime process. When you eat them a few hours before bed, you're giving your kidneys gentle support to filter out impurities more effectively. Unlike heavy meals, these fruits are light, easy to digest, and provide nutrients that enhance overnight healing. The first fruit on our list is watermelon, the ultimate kidney cleansing fruit. Watermelon is more than 90% water, which makes it an excellent natural diuretic. Diuretics increase urine flow, helping your kidneys flush out toxins, excess salts, in small crystals that could otherwise form kidney stones. It also contains a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which fights oxidative stress inside the kidney tissues. Research has shown that oxidative damage contributes to chronic kidney disease, and by reducing it, you're protecting these vital organs from long-term harm. Eating a small bowl of fresh watermelon in the evening, about an hour before bed, can keep your body hydrated throughout the night and encourage gentle detox. For people who often wake up with puffiness or bloating, this fruit can also help reduce water retention. However, moderation is key. Eating too much close to bedtime can make you wake up to urinate frequently. A cup or two is enough to trigger its cleansing effect without disturbing your sleep. The second fruit is red grapes, especially dark varieties like Concord or black grapes. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Resveratrol helps protect the kidneys from damage caused by toxins, infections, or high blood sugar. It also reduces inflammation in the glomeruli, the small filters inside your kidneys that clean your blood. In fact, several studies show that resveratrol helps improve kidney function in people suffering from metabolic or diabetic conditions. Eating grapes at night supports the kidneys while also calming your nervous system due to their natural melatonin content. Melatonin regulates your sleep-wake cycle. So a small serving of grapes not only aids detoxification but also improves sleep quality. To get the maximum benefit, eat around 10 to 15 grapes as your evening snack, ideally 1 to 2 hours before sleeping. Avoid grape juices or dried raisins at night because their sugar content is too concentrated and can burden your kidneys instead of helping them. Our third fruit is the humble yet powerful apple. There's truth to the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, especially when it comes to your kidneys. Apples are full of fiber, particularly pectin, which helps bind and eliminate toxins from the digestive tract before they reach the bloodstream. This means your kidneys have fewer impurities to filter, reducing their workload. Apples also contain antioxidants like quercetin and polyphenols, which prevent inflammation and oxidative damage to kidney cells. One lesser-known benefit of apples is that they help maintain an optimal acid-base balance in your body. A highly acidic internal environment can contribute to kidney stress and stone formation. Eating an apple before bed helps gently alkalize the body, supporting smooth filtration overnight. Choose organic apples when possible to avoid pesticide residues that could counteract their cleansing power. You can enjoy an apple as is, or slice it and drizzle a few drops of lemon juice for added vitamin C, which further boosts detoxification. Apples are light, easy to digest, and make a perfect late-night fruit that supports your kidneys without spiking blood sugar drastically. The fourth and final fruit is papaya. Often overlooked but highly effective in supporting detoxification during sleep. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion and helps the body eliminate undigested waste. When your digestive system functions efficiently, your kidneys don't have to compensate for excess metabolic waste. Papaya also contains potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, 2 critical factors for kidney health. One of the reasons papaya is great at night is its mild natural sweetness paired with its anti-inflammatory compounds like choline and beta-carotene. is these nutrients reduce inflammation in both the liver and kidneys, supporting efficient overnight detox. Another benefit is that papaya promotes better sleep due to its magnesium content, which relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system. To use papaya effectively for detox, eat a small portion about an hour before bedtime. It will not only assist kidney function but also support digestion, ensuring you wake up feeling light and refreshed. Now that we've discussed the four main fruits, watermelon, red grapes, apple, and papaya, it's important to understand how they complement the natural nighttime cleansing cycle. During sleep, blood flow to the kidneys increases, and metabolic waste from your cells moves toward elimination. When you eat hydrating, antioxidant-rich fruits before bed, you're giving your kidneys the raw materials they need to perform this cleansing efficiently. Unlike heavy late-night snacks, these fruits do not overload your digestive system or spike blood sugar dramatically. Instead, they deliver vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that gently activate the detox pathways. Let's explore a little deeper into how each nutrient within these fruits works at the cellular level. For example, the lycopene in watermelon and the resveratrol in grapes act as free radical scavengers, reducing the load of oxidative molecules that can damage kidney cells. Vitamin C, found in both apples and papayas, strengthens the filtration membranes, keeping them flexible and efficient. The high water content in watermelon and grapes helps maintain urine volume, preventing the concentration of waste that could lead to kidney stones. Meanwhile, the fiber in apples and the digestive enzymes in papaya ensure waste leaves the body through both urinary and intestinal channels. This dual cleansing effect means toxins are less likely to accumulate overnight. It's worth noting that kidney detoxification isn't about flushing your system with extreme diets or juices. It's about consistent, gentle nourishment. When you regularly include these fruits in your evening routine, your kidneys receive steady support, improving their resilience over time. Imagine your kidneys as filters in an air purifier. If they're well maintained, the whole system runs smoothly. If they're overloaded with impurities, performance declines. Fruits like watermelon, grapes, apple, and papaya act as maintenance tools, cleaning and restoring balance every night. Some people wonder whether it's safe to eat fruit before bedtime. The answer depends on the type and portion size. The fruits mentioned here have a low to moderate glycemic load, meaning they release sugar slowly into your bloodstream, preventing spikes. Eating a small serving of one fruit, ideally 1 hour before bed, is not only safe but beneficial for most people. However, if you have diabetes or chronic kidney disease, consult your healthcare provider to determine the right portion and timing for your individual needs. Moderation and consistency are the key principles of natural healing. Let's also discuss how these fruits interact with the rest of your lifestyle. Detoxification isn't a one-step process. Your kidneys need support from proper hydration, reduced sodium intake, and balanced nutrition. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial. When you combine hydration with fruits like watermelon or grapes, your kidneys can filter blood more effectively. Reducing processed foods, alcohol, and excess caffeine also lessens the burden on these organs. Additionally, regular sleep plays a significant role because detoxification peaks during deep sleep stages. A consistent bedtime routine enhances results. Eating your fruit snack about an hour before lights out helps your body align with this natural rhythm. You might also be curious about combining fruits. Can you eat more than one of these detox fruits together? The answer is yes, but in small portions. For example, a small fruit bowl of watermelon cubes and grapes can be both hydrating and rich in antioxidants. Or you could have half a papaya with a few apple slices for a fiber and enzyme-rich mix. Avoid adding heavy ingredients like cream, sugar, or salt. Simplicity preserves the natural detoxifying power of these fruits. Over time, including these 4 fruits in your nightly routine can lead to noticeable improvements, clearer skin, reduced bloating, better digestion, and more stable energy during the day. Many people also report less puffiness around the eyes and a lighter feeling upon waking, which are subtle signs of improved kidney efficiency. Remember, your kidneys silently perform the essential task of filtering around 200 liters of blood every day. Supporting them with simple, nutrient-rich fruits is one of the easiest yet most effective forms of preventive health care. If you'd like to amplify the benefits even more, pair your evening fruit with a glass of warm water or herbal tea about 30 minutes before bed. Teas like dandelion, nettle, or chamomile have mild diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties that complement the effects of detox fruits. This gentle combination encourages smoother toxin elimination during your sleep cycle. Avoid drinking large amounts of cold water right before bed, as it may disrupt your body's temperature balance and cause you to wake up frequently. It's fascinating to realize how nature provides such simple solutions for complex processes. The human body has its own built-in detox system, the kidneys, liver, skin, and lungs, all working together to maintain balance. fruits simply act as supportive allies that supply vitamins, minerals, water, and antioxidants needed for these systems to function efficiently. There's no need for extreme cleanses or expensive supplements when whole foods can do the job naturally. Let's recap in a way that connects all the dots. When you sleep, your body enters its deepest repair mode, your kidneys filter the day's waste, your liver processes toxins, and your cells regenerate. By consuming specific fruits like watermelon, grapes, apples, and papaya before bedtime, you're giving your body a toolkit: hydration to flush out impurities, antioxidants to repair cells, and natural enzymes to improve digestion and metabolism. This gentle support allows your kidneys to function without strain, leading to better long-term health. The results may not appear overnight, but within weeks of consistent habits, you'll start noticing subtle but meaningful changes: less fatigue, clearer skin, improved focus, and overall vitality. While fruits are powerful, balance remains essential. Too much fruit, especially late at night, can add unnecessary sugar to your diet. That's why portion control is important. Aim for roughly 1 cup of fruit or 1 medium-sized piece. Choose fresh, organic, and ripe fruits whenever possible, since unripe or chemically treated fruits may contain compounds that increase the detox load rather than reduce it. Wash fruits thoroughly to remove pesticides and waxes that could interfere with their natural benefits. Also, pay attention to how your body responds. Everyone's metabolism and kidney efficiency differ slightly. If you find that watermelon makes you wake up to urinate too often, switch to apple or papaya instead. If grapes feel too sweet, limit them to a few pieces. The goal is not to force a routine, but to build a supportive relationship with your body's natural rhythms. Over time, you'll learn which fruit works best for you and how your body responds to nighttime nourishment. One interesting aspect of kidney detoxification through fruits is that it not only affects your physical health, but also your mental clarity. When toxins build up in the body, they can lead to sluggishness, brain fog, and low mood. Once your kidneys are filtering efficiently, your blood becomes cleaner and circulation improves, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain more effectively. This translates to better concentration and emotional balance. So the benefits of these fruits extend beyond your kidneys. They promote holistic wellness. In essence, the 4 nighttime fruits, watermelon, grapes, apples, and papaya, represent a perfect balance of hydration, antioxidants, fiber, and enzymes. Together, they enhance your body's natural detox system. Allowing your kidneys to perform their vital role more efficiently while you rest. Incorporating them into your evening habit is a small step that yields significant results over time. It's an effortless, enjoyable, and sustainable way to nurture one of your body's most important organs. So tonight, before you go to bed, skip the heavy snacks, skip the processed desserts, and instead reach for nature's medicine, a small bowl of fresh fruit. Let the gentle sweetness of watermelon, the soothing richness of grapes, the crisp purity of apple, or the tropical calm of papaya be your natural detox companion. As you drift into sleep, your kidneys will silently thank you, cleansing your body, renewing your energy, and preparing you to wake up refreshed, lighter, and healthier than the night before.